Images circulating on social media appear to confirm the first documented loss of Russia's latest TOS-2 thermobaric rocket launcher in Ukraine. The cutting-edge multiple-launch rocket system, recently deployed to the front lines, has now seemingly been reduced to a smoldering wreck. Photos of the charred remains of the launcher have been widely shared by media outlets enabling open-source intelligence, OSINT, analysts to pinpoint the location of the incident in Petrivka, within Ukraine's Donetsk region. According to preliminary assessments, the destruction of the TOS-2 was likely caused by a Ukrainian first-person view FPV drone strike. Despite the presence of additional protective measures, including the so-called cope cage armor intended to shield against aerial attacks, the vehicle was unable to withstand the assault. The TOS-2 is a next-generation thermobaric weapon system, designed as an advanced iteration of its predecessors, featuring improved mobility and enhanced survivability. However, this incident casts doubt on its battlefield resilience, particularly in an environment where drone warfare has become an increasingly decisive factor. The rapid adaptation of Ukrainian forces, leveraging small yet effective drones for precision strikes, continues to expose the vulnerabilities of even Russia's most advanced military hardware. This latest loss highlights the ongoing challenge faced by Russian forces in countering Ukraine's evolving combat strategies. While Russia continues to introduce new weapon systems to the battlefield, the conflict remains highly contested, with neither side able to establish absolute dominance in terms of firepower or protection. The destruction of the TOS-2 serves as a stark reminder that technological advancements alone may not be sufficient to guarantee battlefield superiority in modern warfare, where adaptability and tactical innovation are proving to be just as crucial as firepower.